Hello friends, today we will do the concept of class plus 1 chapter 6 linear inequality exercise 6.2. My first question is solve graphically 2x plus 3y less than equal to 6. Before solving this question, firstly you will convert the inequation into equation. So it can be done by changing the equality sign there. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Firstly I converted into equation. Now whenever you have only one equation is given, you will do firstly put x equal to 0, then you will get y, then you will put y equal to 0, you will get x. In same manner I am doing. So firstly I put x 0, so you know it will become 0. 3y equal to 6, so y equal to 6 by 3 means 2. So your coordinate is 0, 2. Next is when y put 0, then you are getting 2x equal to 6 means 6 by 2, that is 3, 0. So your coordinate is 1, 0, 2 and second coordinate 3, 0. You know this thing. Firstly you will take in coordinate your x, then your y point. Similarly in this manner I got two coordinates. Now what will we do? We will plot them on a graph. Everybody knows how to make a graph. So firstly I plotted the point 0, 2. Firstly you will see what is the coordinate of x. X is 0. Then what is y? Y is 2. So you will in straight manner you will plot them. Then next one is x equal to 3. Means firstly you will plot 3. Then y is 0. It means you will plot on same point. You will join these points and you will get an line. Then this is known as 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is equation of your line. Then you will see what is the sign here. This is less than sign. Less than means you will shade the downside. Why? Because 2 less than 1, 3 less than 2 means all the points are less than here. When sign is here greater, then you will shade the above part. I hope you are getting. This is the way to shade the area of watching this sign. Next one is solve graphically 2x minus y greater than equal to 1. Same again, firstly we will convert into equation. Yes, now you will put x equal to 0, then you got y is minus 1. Your coordinate becomes 0, minus 1. When I put y 0, then I got x is 1 by 2. So your coordinate became 1 by 2, 0. Now you will plot these points. Easily you can. Firstly you will see x coordinate, then you will proceed. So I got this as a equation of line. Whenever you will see the sign, what is a sign there? Greater than sign. So greater than sign means if you will proceed here, then it means this is a greater. Why? Because here these are negative and these are less than there. So this area is shaded. And when equality is here, then you will highlight your equation of line also. Why? Because equality is there. Clear? Next, solve x is greater than equal to 2. Firstly you will convert into equation. So x equal to 2. It means your coordinate will be x is 2, y can be any point. So I make a line, x is your 2, y can be anywhere. It is the equation of a line parallel to y-axis where y can be anything. Now you will see what area you have to shade. Greater than 2 means x is 2 here, here x is less than 2, it is greater than 2. So we will shade this area. Next one is solve modulus of x less than equal to 3. Yes, for this remember one thing. Whenever you have given this in modulus form, remember this identity. Modulus of x less than equal to a, its result will be minus a less than equal to x less than a, means modulus will be removed. You will keep this point firstly with the negative, then with the positive. Then you will proceed here also in this manner. It means you will keep in place of a 3. So from the first equation you got x is greater than equal to minus 3. From the next two you are getting x less than equal to 3. So whenever we will convert into equations, it becomes x equal to minus 3 and here x equal to 3. So firstly I plotted the points, x equal to minus 3, x equal to 3. Now you will see what is the sign here. X is greater than minus 3, minus 3 say greater. So this area will be shaded, and for this less than 3, so this area shaded. So this is the area of this inequality. So next is solve y minus x modulus less than equal to 3. Again, whenever we have given its modulus, you will use this identity. What is x mod here? X mod is your y minus x mod. What is your a? A is your 3. So we will convert into by using same identity. Then firstly I keep them and then I kept here. Then I shifted in linear equation ax plus by plus c, means x I make positive, so shifted by changing sign. Y also minus 3 is already there but sign will remain same. Similarly here x I shifted to make it positive, y positive, it will become negative. Positive 3 is already there, so sign is there. 3 with positive means greater than. Similarly I kept. So now we will take first equation. First equation when I have taken, firstly I put x 0, so I got y is your minus 3. When I put y 0 in first equation, I got x is 3, 0. This is the coordinate of your first equation. Now put x is 0 in second equation, I got y is 3. Then I put y 0, means after converting into equation, you will put firstly x 0, you will get y, then y put is 0, then you will get x coordinate. Similarly I got 4 coordinates. I firstly plot the first 2 points, then I got equation of line here also. Then you will see what is the sign. Less than means here, and for greater than here. Then you will see this is the shaded area of both. I hope you got. बस आपको करना क्या है, इनइक्वालिटी को पहले इक्वेशन में चेंज करके x की वैल्यू पुट करो, फिर y की, तो आपको इक्वेशन पता चल जाएगी. यू प्लॉट देम एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल से विच एरिया you have to shade. Equality means you will shade, highlight that line also. When above is there, you will greater part you will shade. When less is there, then you will less area shade. Okay, I hope. Thank you. Have a nice day.